So, like I said in my earlier videos, I'm looking for some new opportunities in some forex pairs or some stocks maybe. For now, I'm looking at the euro, New Zealand dollar, so that means no Australia, no US, no Swiss franc. Some pairs I'm in at the moment. It's good to switch things up. This is the weekly chart, so let's start on a bigger time frame. This is back in 2015. We are now in 2017. So what will that mean? Let me see. Quite the obvious. We see that this is a trend line that's going on. It's a descending trend line, of course, as you can see. Over here as well. We are pretty obviously in a in a descending trend. So this would be a great opportunity to go short, is the way we see this right now, because you are just at the top of a channel, which is great to short, and then we can ride this one all the way down back to the lows or somewhere around here. So this is a great setup, but we are not done yet. Let's zoom in to the daily chart. What do we see on the daily chart? Of course, the bigger time frame is you know, it's a huge time frame. It's good to know that we are in a descending trend, and it's good to know that we are at this very important level as well. Maybe we switch back to the weekly for a minute, because there's something else I want to see. I want to see if on the support resistance side, if there is anything we should know about this area. Yes, we do, because this one acted as a support a couple of times. Here it was support. Okay, so this is a line we really have to draw. This is a line we need to see. Then again, this would be another one. We can draw it in, because these are the highs, the previous. If these break, then we also get information from that. Let's go back to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. As you can see, quite a nice rally. That being said, everything comes to an end. We are within this channel, so maybe we are just at the right time for a potential reversal. I don't see anything on here. Let's put in some Bollinger Bands and a RSI to get some more clues on what price is doing over here. Relative Strength Index, thank you very much. So we are moving pretty strongly to the outside of the Bollinger Band, so momentum was great. We are moving above this moving average as also, so even a retest of the moving average is still yet to happen. There's a lot on this chart that still needs to happen. Maybe we get some more information on the 4-hour chart. Yes, we do, because price has been ranging to the upside pretty convincing. What does the RSI show us? The RSI is showing us that this high and this second high, there's a great shift in momentum on the RSI already. That's it. So let me just draw on those clues for you guys. This is the euro. Wait a minute. Euro and New Zealand dollar. Clues. The first clue is on the weekly time frame. We are at the weekly time frame at the upper trend line of a descending, let's say a downward trend, because that's what it is. And the fact that we're on the upper side of a downtrend. That means that we can go with the trend to the downside, to the lower. So there's a lot of potential. Let me put it in. Lot of potential to the lower side of the channel. That's the first clue. The second clue we saw was a price bounced off a important resistance. It's the second clue. Now we are looking at the 4-hour chart and we see that there is some kind of a double top in the market. Price tried to get through the resistance but failed, so we kind of see a double top. Price got rejected the second time. Do we have more clues? We see, for now we see a break and a retest of the moving average. For now that seems to be holding. Break of moving average, that seems to be holding. Retest. Next one, do we have more information on this chart? Yes we do, because the RSI is showing divergence. Like I said, we have 1-2 moves up, but we are seeing a shift in the upward momentum. So the next thing we are looking at, I need more clues, more information, and that will be over here, because this previous low, so I'm called that more clues. We want to see I'm gonna make this as obvious as possible for you guys. So the price action, I'm gonna call it price action break of the previous low. So this low needs to be taken out. If that happens, we will see some continuation to the downside. Little resistance over here, I think, but the way back down is pretty wide open. Do we need more? Well, maybe we see a bounce off this this trend line. That's possible, of course. And we see a third attempt to go to this trend line. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. You know, it's trading, so I think we have a lot of clues to. We cannot. I wanted to put in a trend line. Would be nice if that would have got the chance to do that. We can. Maybe we can. If we draw the trend line from here to here, where does this lead us? Nah, that's not really what I was looking for, actually. This is some kind of a trend line, but you know, price seems to bounce over here for some reason, so it's possible that it is in fact a trend line people are reacting to. So let's see if that breaks as well. I think I'm gonna put it in here. I think we are at a great at the start of a reversal on this pair, and that's those are beautiful trades because price can go down once this level breaks pretty strong, and we have a nice move all of the sudden. So let me put this one up here. We have all the information in. Yes, we do. Okay, that's great. Well, keep this in mind. Let me make this a little easier to read, like that. Okay, so this this trade has some potential in it. An exclusive and extensive, especially extensive analysis on this pair. I hope you guys are seeing this opportunity. Please share your thoughts or ideas on this. I think it is I think it is a nice nice setup, nice move. So that's it for now. I hope you can add this one to your own trade ideas. Maybe use some other indicators to get some more confirmation. Love to share ideas. Good luck trading it, and good luck trading overall.